everyone, welcome back to my channel at Christy's Food Channel. Please join me on this video because I'll be sharing my super fluffy, moist, OB Makapuno chiffon cake or purple yam with young coconut chiffon cake. So let's get started. First, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. For our dry ingredients, we need 2 1/4 cup of cake flour and 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's zip it together. We'll whisk it well, and next we're going to mix our wet ingredients. For our wet ingredients, we need 8 egg yolks, 1/2 cup of olive oil, light olive oil, one-fourth cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of OB or purple yam. You can use OB halaya or a grated one. Have to mix it well, and we will add a few drops of purple yam extract. And 1 drop of purple food coloring. And now we're going to combine our dry ingredients and wet ingredients. And now it's well combined, so it's time to make our meringue. And now we're going to make our meringue. And please don't forget to preheat your oven to 340 Fahrenheit. And for our meringue, we need the egg whites. And then I'm not using cream of tartar. I'm using fresh lemon juice and 1/2 cup of sugar. And you can check your meringue if it's stable. You have to flip this. So this is good to go. and bake your cake for 35 to 45 minutes. While we're still waiting for our cake, I'm going to make our frosting. So I'll be making cream cheese frosting. You need butter, sugar, and cream cheese. And now we are going to add our makapuno or ayan coconut string.